Hey, you there? How are you doing? Let's get on with the fake accent. That's not. Okay, so today's video is going to be about something regarding this. So before I wanted to commit to something like, where is it? Okay, so before I wanted to buy something like this, e-commerce. So before I wanted to buy something like this, I wanted to know what kinds of connection goes into this and what works and what doesn't, because let's be honest, this is quite expensive, very expensive. You need some extra if you don't have the right accessories, and you don't need some extras if you have the right accessories. If you have an intercom system installed in your helmet and you are probably having something like this hanging out of your helmet, I wanted to know if the GoPro mic adapter works with this, because then I wouldn't have to buy an extra mic. Because I do not use the intercom system, I only use it for Bluetooth, so I can probably just use it for GoPro audio recording. I thought I could, but I'll tell you about that. So basically, first the very basics of what you need for your audio setup with your GoPro. So if you're having something like GoPro 5 and beyond, you would first need the GoPro itself, and then this kind of case. This is the Ulanzi V2, and this is made for placing your mic adapter into this. It doesn't go like that, but you get the idea. It sits there. So this is going to make your setup a bit cleaner, because what some people do is they attach this over here and then they tape this onto their helmet. So whatever works for you, but I like to keep things clean, so this is it for me. I talked about the camera, the case, the helmet, obviously, then the mic itself, and then this thing, and then one more small adapter. Now I'll explain to you about this. Basically, there are two kinds of 3.5mm adapters, I mean jacks. So then there's this, the TRRS, and then there's this, that is the TRS. So the kinds of connection, the kinds of jack that works with GoPro is only the TRS one, not the TRRS, sorry. So I tested the GoPro with this, the intercom, helmet, speakers, mic setup. It does not work with this. It's sad, but it does not. This is just an extension wire for this. It does not convert from this to TRS. If you extend your intercom system and then convert it to TRS, it does not work. I have tested it. It doesn't work. I really wished it worked. So that's that. I think that is because it has speakers and the mic along with it. Okay, I installed my mic inside. This is the mic wire. Now my mic is a Maono AU 400, and it comes with a TRRS connection. So I put this inside my helmet, and fortunately they have given me this with it for free. This comes along with that. So I never thought I would need this. I only wanted the mic because it looked good, but fortunately they gave me this, and now I'm finding it useful. So that's very good, very fortunate. Thanks to Maono for being thoughtful about this. So now I have put this on my extension cable, and then I'm putting the mic jack into this, and it works. This works. So that is the thing. Now the mic that I'm using, this is the Boya BY M1. Okay, and this is a powered mic. So where is it? Yeah, this has a battery inside. You need to switch to power mode for cameras, and you don't need to switch to power mode for smartphones. One good thing about this is it supports, if you can see that, it supports both the powered and the non-powered mics. So the Maono AU 400 is a mic that does not have a battery, that is not powered, and it works with this. And even the Boya would work. If I switch it to the camera mode, it will work with that. So that's it, guys. The intercom system does not work. Intercom mic does not work even if you convert it to TRS. But if you have a dedicated mic inside your helmet, it will work if it has TRS. And if you have the TRRS, you need something like this to convert into the TRS. This side is basically the TRRS reception, and this side is the TRS output. So here is where you need the TRS. If you do something like this, TRRS to GoPro, and if you put the TRS over here, it's not gonna work. You need the TRS at this end. TRS is needed at this end, and the mic is going to work. And one more small thing that I noticed, so this is the button that instantly starts recording even when your camera is switched off. That does not work with this setup, this GoPro setup. I don't know why, but it does not work. You can capture video, but the audio is not captured. What you need to do is first switch on the camera from this side, switch it on, and then start recording. Then it captures the audio through the mic. It does not directly capture audio via this option. I don't know why. I just found it. I was testing my setup. I just found it. I thought I would let you know. So I hope you find this video useful, because I have tried to search information regarding what works and what doesn't work, and there are a million gazillion videos out there about your audio setup, your GoPro setup and all that, but they are not very specific about what kinds of terminals you would need for the audio setup. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video useful, and I hope you like the video. In my next video, I will be giving you my opinion regarding this. Now this is an air cushion. It has, you basically pump it via this. This is from Grand Pitch Stop. This is the air comfy seat. This basically has air balloons inside of it to absorb a lot of the undulations from the road, all of the shocks coming across from your shock absorbers. Everybody talks praise about that, but I have some very substantial drawbacks regarding that. I need to talk about that. And what else? That is all, guys. That is all. Okay, behind the scenes, you know what is hidden behind me? It's my dog. It's always there on my bed. Look at this. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi.